Lastly will be the world's strongest engine, part 4. What? You got toppled off? But Thomas has kept trying.